Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Invitation for bids for solar power project in Somalia. The Ministry of Energy and Water Resources of Somalia is inviting sealed bids for the design, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of a 10 MWp solar PV power plant with a 20 MWh battery energy storage system and a 9 km 33 kV evacuation line for NESCOM in Garowe, Puntland State. This initiative is part of the Somali Electricity Sector Recovery Project, SESRP, funded by the World Bank, under Project ID P173088. Bidders must submit their proposals by February 10, 2025, with the published invitation appearing on December 9, 2024. The project aims to enhance the country's energy infrastructure and is part of the Federal Government of Somalia's efforts to recover the electricity sector. The project entails constructing a hybrid PV power plant located in Garowe with GPS coordinates of 8 degrees 24 minutes 0 seconds north and 48 degrees 30 minutes 8 seconds east. Bidders are required to meet specific capacity requirements, including a minimum of 10 MWp for solar PV and 20 MWh for the battery energy storage system, while ensuring a performance ratio of at least 90%. The successful contractor will be tasked with implementing a comprehensive monitoring system for optimal performance, involving data collection, storage, and SCADA access. The project is expected to be completed within 15 to 18 months from the effective date upon contract award, making it a significant step forward in Somalia's renewable energy efforts. For further inquiries, interested parties may contact Liban Ali Ibrahim at the Ministry's Project Implementation Unit Office in Mogadishu.